Hey guys, today, well, I'm just gonna put on I bought a bra, and I'm gonna install it on the vet. My wife here is gonna help me, and here we go. Okay, we're gonna start from the beginning here. Here's the vehicle. Bra is off. Okay, I got this thing from Southern Car Parts about 3 weeks ago, I believe. And almost every one that I tried to order, there was a waiting list of up to 10 weeks. So I found this place, and they delivered it to me within 2 weeks. And this is a Colgan. So it has the front straps that go in the very front, they go over the license plate. Well, they can be hidden behind the license plate, and they hook underneath the cowl under here. So I'll show you that. And then these here hook onto the edge of the cowling underneath, and then of course you have the hooks that hook onto the fender here. This top one here stretches, so you can see how this stretches here, how it's all accordion like. And this has the flap for the lights, so you can just roll it off. I'm trying to do this with one hand since I don't have my cameraman with me right now. And when you roll it up, you have these little straps here that go over the roll, and then it stays open. It's a pretty nice little deal. It's I think I got it under $200, and the other ones I found were way over that. They were in the $300 range. Nice and cushy underneath. Won't scratch the car. It's still a good idea to very heavily wax the vehicle, which I know most of you that have Corvettes are pretty heavily waxed. So let me set this up and let's get going. Okay, so we're going to try to set this up on here. It might be a little slippery. I'm going to try to catch one end on the fender. First. It's stuff like that I ran into. And it's still kind of cold. See? Okay, so we're going to try this again. Okay, basically you got to stretch it out, and I hated the fact that I took it off. I have to do this again. See, like I said, it's a pain in the butt. So, what we're probably going to have to do is anchor it down at the bottom so it'll stay down low. So these here, I'm anchoring the lowest cowling. These anchors right here. Okay. That'll just keep it from moving around. This is actually the hard part, is trying to stretch this hook. See, it's already trying to recede. So, does that, just try to stretch it back and get as much of the hook out as you can. And just kind of bend it back. Okay. And you can just try to get these hooks back in there. And the fender. Alright. Same with the other side. Okay, one. And At least if you get it hooked on here, you can adjust it later. Now, we have 2 more. I'm going to stretch it down as far as you can get it. These hooks go underneath here. Right here. That. This one. Same thing. Now you have your hooks here and your hook here. You have another one right there. The camera can get it. There. There. There's 2 of them. You know you got it the right place. You can see your side marker.